The Cadillac Coupe DeVille is back, and it's better than ever. The 2025 model represents a harmonious blend of tradition and innovation, bringing a legendary nameplate into the modern era with sophistication, performance, and advanced technology. Cadillac's decision to revive the Coupe DeVille is more than a nod to its illustrious past, it's a statement about its vision for the future of luxury automobiles. This car isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about redefining the journey itself. For decades, the Coupe DeVille was synonymous with American luxury, a flagship that set the standard for comfort, elegance, and prestige. Its return in 2025 is both a celebration of Cadillac's heritage and an ambitious leap forward into the new age of automotive excellence. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2025 Coupe DeVille, it's clear that Cadillac's designers have poured their hearts into every curve and contour. The exterior design is a masterpiece, exuding elegance and athleticism. The body features a perfect balance of sharp lines and smooth surfaces, creating a dynamic yet timeless profile. Up front, the iconic Cadillac grille has been reimagined with a bold, illuminated emblem that gives the car a futuristic flair. Flanking the grille are ultra-slim OLED headlights equipped with state-of-the-art matrix technology, which not only enhances visibility but also adds a cutting-edge aesthetic to the car's face. The long, sculpted hood and sweeping roofline evoke the grandeur of classic Cadillacs while embracing the aerodynamic efficiency required in today's market. At the rear, the taillights extend vertically, seamlessly integrating into the sleek rear design and enhancing the car's overall symmetry. Every detail, from the chrome accents to the optional 21-inch alloy wheels, has been carefully considered to create a vehicle that commands attention without being ostentatious. Inside, the Coupe DeVille is a sanctuary of luxury and innovation. Cadillac has always been known for crafting interiors that are both comfortable and refined, and the 2025 model takes this reputation to new heights. The cabin is a symphony of premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and thoughtful design. Soft-touch surfaces, hand-stitched leather, and real wood or aluminium accents envelop the interior, creating an atmosphere of understated opulence. The seats are not just comfortable, they are works of art, offering heating, ventilation, and a multi-mode massage function to ensure every journey is a pleasure. Rear passengers haven't been forgotten either, with ample legroom and their own climate control options. Ambient lighting sets the mood, with customizable colors that can match the driver's mood or the time of day. The panoramic sunroof, standard on all trims, floods the cabin with natural light, making the interior feel even more spacious and inviting. Technology is at the forefront of the Coupe DeVille's appeal, and Cadillac has spared no effort in making this vehicle a technological marvel. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a breathtaking 33-inch curved OLED display, which combines the instrument cluster and infotainment system into a single, seamless interface. This screen delivers crisp, high-resolution visuals and is highly responsive, making it intuitive and easy to use. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Amazon Alexa functionality. Voice recognition has been enhanced to allow natural language commands, so you can control everything from navigation to cabin temperature without taking your hands off the wheel. Audiophiles will be delighted by the available AKG Studio reference sound system, which features 36 strategically placed speakers for a truly immersive audio experience. Whether you're listening to your favorite playlist or catching up on a podcast, the sound quality is nothing short of spectacular. Safety is another area where the 2025 Coupe DeVille excels. Cadillac has equipped the car with its most advanced driver assistance technologies, ensuring that you and your passengers are protected in every situation. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist. The Coupe DeVille also comes with Cadillac's Super Cruise technology, which allows for hands-free driving on compatible highways. This system has been refined to be smoother and more intuitive than ever, making long road trips less stressful and more enjoyable. For nighttime driving, the car is equipped with a night vision system that detects pedestrians and large animals, displaying their position on the digital instrument cluster. The 360-degree camera system provides a bird's eye view of the car's surroundings, making parking in tight spaces a breeze. Advanced airbag systems and a reinforced chassis further enhance the vehicle's safety credentials. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Coupe DeVille offers a choice of two powertrains, catering to different preferences and priorities. The first option is a 4.2-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that produces 500 horsepower and 600 pounds-to-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a smooth-shifting 10-speed automatic transmission and delivers exhilarating acceleration while maintaining a level of refinement that befits a luxury vehicle. For those seeking a more eco-friendly option, Cadillac offers an all-electric variant powered by GM's Ultium battery platform. This electric model boasts an impressive range of 350 miles on a single charge and can accelerate from 0 to 16 miles per hour in just 4 seconds. It's not just about straight-line speed. The Coupe DeVille's chassis has been engineered for dynamic handling and a comfortable ride. The suspension system, featuring magnetic ride control, adapts in real time to changing road conditions, ensuring a smooth and composed driving experience whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling winding mountain roads. Cadillac's commitment to sustainability is evident in the design and production of the 2025 Coupe DeVille. The electric variant is manufactured using eco-friendly processes, and the car incorporates recycled materials wherever possible. Even the gasoline model features advanced technologies like cylinder deactivation and stop-start functionality to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. These efforts demonstrate that Cadillac is not only looking to the past for inspiration but also to the future, aligning its flagship coupe with modern environmental standards. Customization is another highlight of the Coupe DeVille experience. Cadillac offers a range of trims, including luxury, premium, and platinum, each with its own unique features and options. Customers can further personalize their vehicles with a variety of exterior colors, interior materials, and optional packages. Want a more sporty look? Opt for the Blackwing Performance Package, which adds carbon fiber accents, a sport-tuned suspension, and upgraded brakes. Prefer something more luxurious? The Platinum trim offers exclusive materials like semi-aniline leather and open-pore wood, as well as advanced features like a rear seat entertainment system and a head-up display. No matter how you configure it, the Coupe DeVille can be tailored to reflect your personal taste and lifestyle. The 2025 Cadillac Coupe DeVille is expected to arrive in showrooms by late 2024, with a starting price of around $65,000 for the base model. Fully loaded versions, including the electric variant, can exceed $90,000, making it a competitive option within the luxury coupe segment. Cadillac is targeting a global audience with this release, with availability planned for North America, Europe, and select Asian markets. The car's combination of heritage, innovation, and performance is expected to resonate with a wide range of buyers, from loyal Cadillac enthusiasts to newcomers drawn by its modern appeal. The return of the Coupe DeVille is more than just a product launch, it's a cultural moment. For Cadillac, it represents an opportunity to reassert its dominance in the luxury market, challenging established competitors like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Audi. For car enthusiasts, it's a chance to experience the magic of a nameplate that has defined American luxury for generations. And for the automotive world at large, it's a reminder that even in an era of rapid technological change, there is still room for vehicles that celebrate artistry, craftsmanship, and the joy of driving. The 2025 Cadillac Coupe DeVille is not just a car, it's a statement. It's a celebration of what Cadillac has been, what it is today, and what it aims to become in the future. With its breathtaking design, innovative technology, and thrilling performance, the Coupe DeVille is poised to set a new benchmark for luxury coupes. Whether you're drawn by its nostalgic charm, its cutting-edge features, or its promise of driving pleasure, one thing is certain: The 2025 Coupe DeVille is a car that demands to be experienced. So, when it arrives in showrooms, don't just admire it from afar, get behind the wheel and see for yourself why this Cadillac is destined to become a legend once again.